Hi guys!
Hi guys.
In today's video, we are painting some plant pots.
And
I've got a very cute, adorable little helper here. Can you say hi?
hi.
This is Aurorita, and she is my 3-year-old daughter, and I wanted to do something fun today with her. Often as a mom, I struggle finding ways to keep her entertained. Let's get into it. Let's paint some pots. Let's have some fun. Ready?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do today?
We're
We're gonna make some plant pots.
yeah, that.
Is that what we're gonna do today?
Today.
Yeah, you excited?
Yeah.
All right, I got something for you.
What's that?
What's that?
Oh, that.
It's for Aurora. You're the cutest.
Tummy too. Eat too. Tummy too.
Ooh.
Tummy too.
Whoa.
Tummy too.
Oh no, how do we open this?
Huh? Three, a strawberry.
All right. So it says it's for 8 plus.
Yes.
And you are 3 years of age, but I think you can do it. Can you do it?
Yeah.
You think you can do it, Aurorita?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be careful though. You gotta leave them. How cute are these?
Yeah.
So cute.
Oh, that's
So we got some pots
Okay. Five.
and
Pretty.
what do we got in there, Aurorita? Should we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's open it. Whoa, we got some
This people.
markers, plant markers,
People. People.
paintbrushes.
Pretty.
We got paint. We got flower growing kit here, which I'm guessing are seeds. Yes, they are. We got seeds.
See.
And
Look. Who's that?
we got this.
I did.
And we got a little puck. A little pucky puck of growing medium. I'm gonna guess it's some coconut coir. Hey baby, what do you think? So we got zinnia flowers, we got marigold and cosmos.
Look.
And today
Look.
we're going to decorate the
Mommy,
pots.
Mommy, look.
I see that.
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll plant the seeds in part 2. Mommy likes planting. Aurora likes playing. It's a win-win. Oh no!
Oh, I did it.
All right, which one do you want to paint?
This one. This one.
No, which you want to paint this? Oh, you want to paint this one?
Yeah, this one. Help. And open.
I'm just happy I didn't need scissors. What color do you want me to open?
And make this one.
What color is that one?
The
Can you say pink?
pink.
Pink. Aurora wants color pink. All right, let's see, baby girl. Can we do this? Can we do this without creating too much of a mess? Good job, Aurorita.
Hey.
Wow.
Mommy. Green. White.
Can you say red?
Red.
Red.
Mommy, a red.
Mommy, red. She wants red. All right, you got red.
Oh, awesome.
This is like my paint
Little
table
mommy.
cover. Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
So I don't really care if I get anything on it. It's kind of turned into just
I don't.
masterpiece of paint. Well, it's gonna turn into a masterpiece of paint. What should I do? A heart
The heart.
for Valentine's Day? Can you say Valentine's?
Sometimes.
Who's gonna be your Valentine? Is it gonna be Mommy?
Yeah, mommy. Hi. Hi.
That is not a good heart.
Do it. No, who that do it?
That is probably one of the worst hearts I've ever made. But it's okay. It's supposed to be abstract.
That thing.
All right. Keep going. Let me see what you got. Ooh, you know what I want to do? I want to do a little flicky flicky.
You know, where they go? Oh yeah, like a star paint. I probably should have got myself an apron.
That's kind of cool, right? I think so. Whoa, that's a lot of paint. Okay, that's the sign. It's a sign I need to take this jacket off.
Pink. Pink, please.
Which one?
Pink.
Yellow one?
Yeah, I want it.
That one?
Yeah.
You say yellow?
Yeah.
Amarillo. Amarillo? Amarillo. And there you go. And there's your yellow. Just have fun with it. Just have fun with it. Muy bien, Aurorita. Looks good. You know what I was thinking about doing that I didn't do? You could cover these with tape. Maybe just to create like certain designs that they can paint within. Or stripes, you know?
White.
Let's do purple.
White. Pink.
Ugh. I feel like I almost just hit you in the face with that. Okay. That one's not open. I think it's looking pretty fun. I'm just going with it. We're gonna keep going with it. Ha 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 ha. You're so goofy.
Oh, and pink.
Blue?
Yeah.
Whoa. It was a bit more globby than I would have liked. Oh, careful.
This one. This one.
This one? Okay, let's do a different one. Do we do a new pot?
The pot.
Let's move on.
This,
So this is Aurora's pot. Uno.
this one. This
Wow, Aurorita.
one.
I love it.
This one.
You want black?
Black.
You want color black?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's a bold move there. Ugh. How's it going? You want another one? Are you done with that one?
This one.
Because we
Shower.
got one more. You should add some color to that. This thing?
Yeah, this one.
I don't really know what that's for, but I'm sure it has a purpose. Should have put on some music, but it's also nice to listen to nature, right? What? No, don't paint yourself. Are you done painting this one? Feels so sad just being all black. You're just mixing all the colors now, aren't you?